Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Me Juwita Irma Fauziah and my friend Intan Fadila Husna will be presentation about English grammar board. The next slide will be presented by Intan. Intan, time is yours.
Okay, in this English grammar, learn and test in an application that contain learn and test regarding word error in English. Apart from that, there is a lot of material that can improve and increase knowledge about grammar and tenses. Grammar material in the form of adjective, adverb, articles, conditional sentence, gerund and infinitive, modals and modal auxiliaries, nouns, participle, passive sentence, phrasal verb, preposition, pronouns, number, and etc., and material regarding tenses in the form of simple present and etc., and other tenses. Apart from that, this is material about error and confusion. And after studying this material, there is a test that can assist our understanding in grammar and tenses. Okay, the advantages of using English grammar learn and test. One, effective for beginner who want to learn grammar. Users are able to learn grammar, tenses, mistakes, and confusion in one application. After studying it, the user is able to take a test with the questions they choose to find out their level of understanding. And next, the material provided is quite short and easy to understand. And the last, the test is in the form of multiple choice, which makes it easier for user to carry out tests. Okay, next, how to eat. The first, download the English Grammar, Learn and Test application on the Play Store. Next, there will be a display like the image below. Then there is a lot of material such as grammar, tenses, mistakes, and confuse. And select the material you want to study. And after that, do a test. And you will know the score you got. Okay, next slide will be presented by Juwita Irma Fauzia.
Okay, next slide, Tan. Okay, the application is Vocabulary Builder by Mangus. The first, you have to download this application, the Vocabulary Builder, for adding your vocabulary knowledge. Do you know what is the vocabulary for Vocabulary Builder, the benefit? Okay, jadi Vocabulary Builder application is helping children to enlarge the English vocabulary for all age. Next slide. Okay, in this slide, there are many methods of how to practice your vocabulary. Vocabulary Builder application that help you learn vocabulary and train English language skills. The first time you use this application, you can determine the target of your study, whether to know new words or for a test. This application uses different modules depending on which you choose. Next slide. In here, there are multiple level options for practice vocabulary from basic to advanced. This is in basic words, intermediate words, and then the last advanced word. Jadi, vocabulary modules are constructed based on word difficulty. The most difficult words are the less common, while the simple words are often used in dialogue. Next slide. Okay, this is advantage and the flow of this from the vocabulary builder application. I will explain the first the advantage. The advantage of this vocabulary builder application is that its content, the vocabulary that usually appears degree. Degree is graduated record examination. Simply put, the application is suited to people who are already the intermediate level, and the teaching method used are quizzes and games. So, of this builder application is to have being at first, and then a sample sentence might be too long. Jadi, one vocabulary builder is the addition to teaching new words. This application also help we correct pronunciation and illustrated an example for use of words. These features apply to over 1,000 different words. Next slide. Why use the vocabulary builder application? Because of a fairly effective method for children and all who want to enlarge their English vocabulary. It was easy to understand. Vocabulary Builder are a wonderful app for learning English, especially for those of you who already have basic knowledge of language but want to increase your vocabulary. Next slide. Okay, finish ya. Okay, maybe from 3. Thank you for your attention and sorry for our mistake. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you for watching.